Hi students, in the previous videos we have discussed about the pronoun and the types of pronouns. We have totally 10 types of pronouns. Among them 7 types of pronouns we have already discussed. Now we need to discuss about this demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns and reciprocal pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns is quite easy like other pronouns. Let's see the examples first. This, that, these, those. These are the 4 examples of demonstrative pronouns. Only 4 examples we have. These words you have mostly used in your childhood. Even now, whenever you talk about your things or whenever you talk about objects, you use these words. Like you see, this is a letter, that is the house, these are wonderful children. So these words are the demonstrative pronouns. Whenever you want to point out the object or objects, they are called the demonstrative pronouns. Now next is relative pronouns. First let's see the examples. Who, whom, whose, which, that, what. Now see the sentences here. He is the man who came to see you. This who is the relative pronoun. So for this man, for this subject, we are using the relative pronoun who. Relative pronoun actually they connect the sentences together. He is the man came to see you. 2 different sentences are being connected with the pronoun who. So that is why they are called relative. Okay. He is the man who came to see you. Now, this is the book which I purchased. For things we use which. For persons we use who, whom, whose. Okay. I know the girl that you are talking about. मैं जानती हूँ जिसके बारे में तुम बात कर रहे हो. Here I know the girl that. This is the relative pronoun here. Okay. Now, these pronouns can be plural or singular depending on the subject. For example, here it is written he, and this who pronoun is singular because we have only one person. If it was written they are the men who came to see you, so that they are the men likha hai, then this who pronoun will become plural pronoun. So relative pronoun, did you understand? They join the 2 sentences together. Now next, reciprocal pronoun, we have only 2 examples. They are each other and one another. They denote mutual action. Reciprocal pronouns, we have 2 examples. They are each other, one another, and they denote mutual action, like they help each other, they trust each other, they fight with each other. When do we use each other? When we have 2 persons, we use each other. When we have more than 2 persons, we use one another. For example, 2 children were fighting with each other. So whenever we have 2, we use each other. When we have more than 2, like the students were fighting with one another. Students means there are many children in the classroom. So we can say if we have more than 2, we say one another. Okay, did you understand? Now reciprocal pronoun is also done. We have only 2 examples. Relative pronouns which connect the 2 sentences. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these and those. So here are the exercises number 1 and exercises 2. And here you have exercise 3. Underline the personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Since I don't have place, I have written PE, that means personal, and PO, that means possessive pronoun. Same I have done in exercise 4 also, exercise 5 and exercise 6. So be clear. Like here, underline the relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. I have written I, that means interrogative pronoun. R, that means relative pronoun. Okay, I'll upload the pictures with this video. Finish your book work and listen to the previous videos if you didn't understand clearly, and if you have any doubts, please do inform me. Thank you. In exercise 9 there is one more, fifth one. Where is the boy who had a black mark on his face? Here we have two types of pronoun. One is a relative pronoun and one more is interrogative pronoun. Two are there. I don't have space, I didn't write, so that's why I thought of mentioning in the video. So please remember this and write properly in your books. Write neatly. Thank you.